Subscribe now and join us today. We've put together a free downloadable PDF called The 5 Stages to Quickly Get Clients Guide. Inside, you'll learn the 5 stages of business growth that help you attract more leads and scale with confidence. This resource is designed exclusively for our subscribers. To grab your copy, just hit subscribe, DM us the word quickly with your email, and we'll send it right over. Or simply click the free PDF link on our channel, submit your information, and the guide will be delivered straight to your inbox. Download it today and stay subscribed so you never miss future growth tips. Now, let's shift gears. I want to show you how you can create your own free PDF to attract clients. This will just be a quick overview. I'll save the full step-by-step training for another video or one-on-one help. But here's the big picture. First, think about what your valuable PDF should contain. The best place to start is with something connected to your offer. In other words, what problem does your business solve, and how can you explain part of that in a simple Google Doc? Your goal is to teach your ideal client one or more things they can do for themselves. So, ask yourself, what valuable free PDF would you create for your audience? Once it's ready, upload it and add a link on your YouTube or social media that sends people to a landing page where they can enter their information and instantly receive your PDF by email. Step 1. Create a valuable free PDF. Write something useful, clear, and practical that positions you as the guide. Step 2. Build the landing page. Inside your Go high-level software, go to Sites, Websites, and create a new page, something like Free PDF. On that page, explain the value of your PDF and why visitors should download it. Step 3. Deliver the free PDF automatically. Next, set up a pipeline stage called something like Valuable Free PDF so you can segment contacts who request it. Then create a web form by going to Sites, Forms, and then Builder. Name the web form after your PDF and place it on your landing page. Finally, create a workflow that automatically sends your PDF the moment someone fills out the form. For simplicity, keep the same name for your folder, pipeline stage, and workflow. That way, everything stays organized and your PDF is delivered on autopilot. And that's it. A simple system you can set up once and use over and over again to grow your audience, build your list, and bring in more clients without any extra effort. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. Take our free quiz to discover the best way to grow your business faster. Visit humanbrainbox.com and click the quiz button, or go directly to humanbrainbox.com/quiz. After completing it, a marketing success manager will reach out to help you achieve your marketing and follow-up goals. Let us help you get a client. This is exactly what we coach inside our 10-day challenge. When you sign up through Human Brain Box, we won't just give you the Go high-level software, we'll help you build a real process around it. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your client-getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.